Hi everyone. This short addition to the video is going to talk about some updates that were shared to us regarding uploading. Um, as I mentioned in the early part of the video, JPEG images, that process still remains the same. However, we have now learned that you are allowed to upload these files, OneNote files, as PDF, as it does not cause an issue with the plagiarism software and whatnot. We've been confirmed by one of the directors who grades the AP Calculus exams from College Board. So I am going to show you briefly how to do that. The one advantage of using the PDF option is that you can do it all in one file. And in fact, let's be clear, you can only upload one file if you go the PDF option. So if you're planning to do that, what's the one thing that's an advantage is you can do all of your work on a single page. And in addition, one thing that you can do as well is if you want to take a screenshot of the problem and paste it into your OneNote so that you don't have to flip back and forth between windows, that is an option that you can do. So I showed you earlier you could do the split screen. However, if you wanted to use the snipping tool and snip the question stem and then be able to answer parts A, B, C, D, and so on your OneNote, that is a recommendation that you would be allowed to do if you're going the laptop option. But nonetheless, let's talk about how you save the PDF, which is important. So you'll see here that I have all my work all on one page as opposed to splitting them up like I did with the JPEG option. What I'm going to do is go up to File, and it has to be one file, guys. It has to be one PDF file. You cannot upload more than one going this option. We're going to go to Print, and we're going to select Print. And when we go to our printers, you should have a printer option called Microsoft Print to PDF. So that's going to be what we'll select, and then you're going to hit the print button. What's going to actually end up happening is going to pop open your save browser, and what we're going to do is we're going to call this AP Question 1. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. And the reason I'm doing that is because it'll be able to instantly, as soon as I press save, I'll know exactly where to find it, where I jump onto the AP test. So I'm going to go ahead and press save. And then there's one important thing I need to go over in the demo exam to show you how you upload. Okay, so the important thing we have to look here is when you attach your response. So down here at the bottom, you'll see it says, and let me actually make this a little bit smaller so you can actually see the bottom of the screen better. Right, there we go. So you want to click attach response still, but the difference here that we need to do now is we are not going to select attach photos. We need to, if a PDF file is being uploaded, you must select attach text file. We will then click browse for file, and because I went ahead and used my desktop, there it is, AP Question 1. I'll go ahead and click open. You'll see it listed here, and you'll see that you cannot browse for another file. You can only do one file for PDF, but you'll now have the yellow submit button, which of course allows you to submit, and it will successfully go through.